Hi everyone, welcome to Workplace TV. Do you conduct internal investigations in your organization? If so, during your investigation, in an effort to protect the integrity of the investigation, do you instruct or ask employees to not discuss the investigation with other employees? Of course you do. That's what we've all been taught to do. In fact, we tell everyone involved in the investigation, from the complaining party to the alleged harasser to the witnesses, not to discuss the investigation with their coworkers. And if they do, they might be subject to discipline up to and including termination. Sound familiar? Well, as of July 30th, 2012, according to the National Labor Relations Board, or NLRB, this is now an illegal practice. Non-union employers, I know some of you may not realize this, but this applies to you as well. Here's what you need to know. In the case recently decided by the NLRB, Banner Estrella Medical Center, the board determined that it is a violation of Section 7 of the National Labor Relations Act, or NLRA, for an employer to tell employees during an ongoing internal investigation of employee misconduct not to discuss the investigation with other employees, based solely on its concern for the integrity of the investigation. According to the board, an employer's generalized concern with protecting the integrity of its investigation is insufficient to outweigh an employee's Section 7 rights. More is needed to justify restricting an employee's right to discuss their terms and conditions of employment with other coworkers. The board did give employers 4 scenarios by which it would be legal to instruct or request employees not to discuss ongoing investigations with each other. An employer can instruct or request confidentiality if it determines at the outset of an investigation that a witness needs protection, that evidence is in danger of being destroyed, that testimony is in danger of being fabricated, or if it believes that there is a need to prevent a cover-up. Employers, this means that you are expected to do a case-by-case analysis to determine if it is okay for you to request confidentiality during an investigation. I'm sure you will have questions about this ruling, so my advice, if you haven't already done so, review and, if necessary, update your policies and procedures regarding confidentiality during internal investigations. Remove anything that violates the new law, and make sure that employees are made aware of the changes. Conduct a pre-investigation evaluation of the situation to determine how best to conduct the investigation and if confidentiality is needed. And of course, document. And by the way, don't hesitate to contact your labor employment attorney for assistance. I don't think it would be wise to field this one by yourself. The last thing you want is the NLRB questioning your practices. I'm Lisa Yankowitz, and that's what you need to know today.